Google AI Edge Eloquent app. Speak naturally, express effectively, no cap. Voice dictation without subscription. Polish your speech, pick your tone. See how fast your thoughts flow. It learns your unique vocabulary. Fully offline, your conversations never leaves your device. Enhanced text polishing with Gemini. So you can turn it off and it will work offline. Powered by Google's latest Gamma technology. Gamma is their latest AI model, which you can just easily download on your iPhone. Just download on your iPhone and you can use it offline. And therefore, it's private, it's fast. Super cool technology. So, unlike standard dictation software that transcribes, stumble, and fillers for verb, Eloquent utilizes AI to capture your intended meaning. It automatically edits out ums, uhs, and mid-sentence self-corrections, putting clean, accurate prose. Powered by Google's Jam architecture, this application utilizes highly efficient open weight on-device models to deliver responsive speech to text without requiring server connection. Privacy, text and polish, optimized performance. So another app which is using Gemma 4. So there is a separate app which is using Google, which is called Google AI Edge. This one is Google AI Edge Eloquent. So let's just open this one up. Then it just takes time to load models. Warming up the dictation engine.